Hi, this is Mark Vruno, editor of PrintingNews.com, and I'm here today with Chuck Cordray, president of Pitney Bowes Volly. Chuck, thanks for joining us today.
Thanks, good to be here.
Couple of questions. First of all, tell us a little bit about your background, and I know you're kind of new to Pitney Bowes. Maybe a minute or two on that.
Sure. I've joined Pitney Bowes about 5 months ago to lead the Volly effort in the consumer direction that builds on all the traditional strength of Pitney Bowes, the mailer relationships we have, the deep technical understanding we have. As the company has built out over the years those core communications management capabilities, as we get ready to launch Volly, which has a strong consumer component, they were looking for someone who had an acquisition background, deep consumer website experience. So I'm sort of adding that to the tremendous strengths that Pitney Bowes already has as we prepare the offering for market.
Okay. And can you elaborate a little bit more on Volly and how it does or doesn't relate to printers, which is our main audience?
I think from a Pitney Bowes perspective, the most significant portion of the Volly go-to-market strategy is that we're really talking about giving consumers and mailers choices. Clearly, as the world continues to evolve in an electronic direction, mainly what consumers are wanting is access anywhere, anytime, the way they want it. Often, we believe for the foreseeable future, that's going to be a mix of digital and print. So as we have conceived Volly, the main point is to give the consumer the choice of when and how they want their communications and from whom, and also for mailers to give them the capability to seamlessly integrate with their existing systems, not to start from scratch, but to seamlessly integrate yet another channel into the mix of communications that they are sending to their customers in the right way, to the right person at the right time.
Mm-hmm. A month ago or so, we did an article in Printing News about printers who mail and also mailers who print.
Yeah.
Talk a little bit about how people who provide mailing services can attract more clients.
I think one of those key differentiators will be how seamlessly they can integrate all of the various communication styles that a customer wants, how they create more value by giving more choices. Volly's a part of that. Pitney Bowes also obviously has a wide range of products and services that help in that customer communications management process. Volly, I think, is the newest evolution of helping offer to their customers a seamless digital extension of what they're already doing.
Mm-hmm. We've heard recently, especially the problems and the crisis at the Postal Service. What's your take on, the near future and how mail may be processed and delivered differently going forward? Any thoughts on that?
Right. Well, clearly we think that the evolution will include more digital components. That said, we believe that the future will definitely have a really strong mail component for, frankly, for the rest of my life and probably for the rest of most people's lives. Mail will be physical mail will be a very central part of that. So I think as we see the evolution, it is around that integration and choice. It's the mix that we have to manage. It'd be simple in a lot of ways to simply say, okay, the customer wants this or that. The truth is the customer is going to want some things, some ways. For example, they may want their mortgage statement to come in paper for whatever reason, whether logical or not logical. The consumer wants it a certain way. I think as we look at how the postal system evolves, how other communication channels evolve, it's really going to be a series of questions about how easy it is to integrate that stream. We don't have a choice of either or. This is about and for the foreseeable future. Okay. It's about physical mail and electronic mail and text messaging, and how do you know the right thing to do for that customer at the right time? So it's a fairly complex set of technical challenges that the industry has to evolve to solve to make it look simple on the end result.
Right. So much like a printer who might be progressive and offer an integrated offering to his customer with email marketing, maybe even e-publishing. Volly might be another option or another offering that they could offer.
We would expect to be a strong part of the mix. Consumers will want email, they will want Volly, they will want text messaging, they will want physical mail, they will want a printed catalog, and then go online. That mix of messaging and the software and intelligence behind knowing which one to do when, we believe is a strong, essential part of how the industry has to evolve. And in some cases, people will, the various players in the industry will provide those services on their own. In certain cases, they will partner to do that. But assembling that capability in whatever way a printer goes about doing that is going to be a necessary task to continue to grow.